guys? Here in Paso Robles, California. Tommy here from Green Rhino. And today we're doing a 7 area carpets and 3 little area rugs and 1 larger one. Already got all my solution line ran out, and Aaron's up there doing some good vacuuming. It needs a good vacuum. There's a lot of pet stains, and just whatever. You know, and I did, well, there's also some artificial stains up there. Actually color bleeding from a rug they had down. So that's going to be permanent. And I let her know that from the get-go. But I told her that, you know, it's going to be a whole lot better, and she wasn't expecting much, but I'm hoping that we can pleasantly surprise her. Alright, so I got some 20 volume peroxide mixed up with some Undoes It right there, and I got it in my little pump up sprayer just like this, but I already brought it up. I'm using carpet detail, and that's about it for this job. That's all we're gonna need. Alright, so let's check it out. Thanks for all the support, guys, by the way, while I'm remembering. 833 subscribers. I'm on my way to 1,000. Alright, this is my 20 volume peroxide mixed with Undoes It. I'm going to hit all these organic and pet stains before I do the pre-spray. So all the organic, pretty much the urine and everything, looks like it's coming up pretty good with the 20 volume and Undoes It. But there's a large coffee stain there. I'm going to use some tannin product on it because it lightened it up, but it's not completely gone. It's called Target. Target by Matrix, and pretty good product. So okay, I'm going to fire this thing up and start extraction. All except for those artificial color and dye transfer from that rug right there. And look how amazing it looks. Oh, what a difference. And she thought I wouldn't be able to get it clean. Wait till she sees it. Hope we don't get a copyright with the music in the back.
Yeah, I was thinking you got
So
sound,
just talk a little bit so
you get the soundtrack going.
YouTube can't recognize
Yeah.
it, lag me.
Right.
Alright, so I'm pre-spraying with Wool Safe product here. It's called Wool Perfect. And we're going to scrub, a little hand scrubber. Aaron's got in his hand, but he's filming right now. And extract. Alright, let's go. So we're putting everything up. Customers were ecstatic. She just could not believe it. She said, "I look like a brand new car. Oh my God!" She's an ecstatic yelper and all that stuff. So she's gonna shout us out. So that's always good. So it took us about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Thank God I had Aaron, or it took me about 3 hours and a half probably, fighting with those stairs and everything. So. Alright, so if you like what you saw, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.